back to Good Morning Boss. Alam mo, Jules, talagang marami tayong mga, di ba kapag Pilipino, may artistic side talaga
May
tayong
historical basis din kasi ito kung babalikan natin dati. Sobrang artistic ng mga Pilipino.
Nauso yung mga tattoos, di ba? Meron, dito natin na-express yung art and yung sarili natin.
Kung baga may mga statement tayo
Oo,
bawat
may
individual.
mga ibig sabihin yan. Pero ito, aalamin natin, ito kakaiba at bago, isang tattoo jewelry. Aalamin natin yan sa One Life.
Good morning mga boss! Good morning fashionista! Naku, napakaganda dahil this morning, something new ang masusubukan natin ngayon. Have you heard about this jewelry-inspired temporary tattoo? Naku, yan ang aalamin at masusubukan natin ngayong umaga. Bagong gimmick ang hatid namin para sa inyo, mga fashionista, at para pag-usapan yan, makakasama po natin ang may-ari ng Lulu DK na si Miss Casey Marty. Good morning!
Good morning, Carla.
Casey, before anything else, siguro para sa benefit din ng ating mga viewers, ano ba itong jewelry-inspired tattoo?
Basically, there are temporary tattoos that are metallic in shade. So gold and silver, and we have some blacks and some in color that when you wear it, it looks like real jewelry. Lulu DK is a well-known New York designer. And so 3 months ago, she decided to launch her own jewelry tattoo line. The reason she did it was because she saw her sister come home wearing these gold metallic tattoos, and she was like, oh, let me see if I can put my print on the temporary tattoo. So she started doing her own designs, and she came up with these. One is called Love Story, and the other one is La Femme. When you wear it, it is meant to blend seamlessly with real jewelry. You have 6 to 8 designs per sheet that you can cut up in any different way, and you can wear it 20 different ways. The tattoo can be worn on the back, in the arm, on the ring, finger. It's really, really fun, and it's meant to be worn with real jewelry.
Ayan, so ano pa bang hinihintay natin? Pwede ko bang i-try itong mga fashion jewelry tattoos na ito this morning?
Definitely, Carla. So let's start. We cut it up just like a temporary kid's tattoo. It's really, really fun. And then I usually will measure it to size. You have to remove the plastic and then put it on the wrist. And then you just get anything. I usually use a makeup sponge, but you can use cotton, water, anything that's wet. And then put it on. It's really, really easy. So once you wet the whole sheet, all you have to do is peel off the paper. And there you go. It lasts 4 to 7 days officially, but for many others, they say it lasts even longer. So, but the way to remove it is with baby oil. Other than that, you don't have to worry much. You can take a bath, you can scrub it, soap, it's waterproof, you can swim in and out of the water, and it will stay on.
Naman pala. So sigurado ako marami na dyan na naiinggit sa aking jewelry. Kaya, Casey, saan ba namin pwede bilhin to? Please invite our viewers.
You know, mark your calendars. October 4, everyone is invited to come. And we're going to release our new designs with them. And we'll be tattooing, giving away tattoo samples and putting samples on people. So make sure to come. Don't miss that event. It's going to be fun. And follow us on Instagram at LuluDK_PH. That's the best way to get in touch with us and to find out what's new, the latest.
Ayan mga boss, something new at very classy. Maaari nyong subukan dahil mga boss, basta fashion, I always have something new for you. Ito po ulit si Carla Paderna for One Life.
Alright, Jules, napakaganda. Alam mo ba nung bata ako, usong-uso yan, yung
Marami
henna
yan.
tattoo, pero yun yung black. Tapos yun yung mga art tattoos naman, yung mga pambata na stickers na mga flowers, iba-ibang designs.
Sa mga school fair, maraming ganyan
Oo,
din, di
so
ba?
ito, kakaiba at napakaganda kasi nakita natin jewelry. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-wear ng jewelries kung gusto mong mag-accent, di ba?